Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You're watching for Tech. I'm using the Android 11 based OS on my OnePlus Nord 2. But 2 days back, because of the curiosity, I tried the Android 13 Tiramisu generic system image build created for the Pixel 5 using the DSU sideloader, and surprisingly it's booted and working very well on our OnePlus Nord 2. Few months back I created the DSU sideloader application video, the tool that can boot any generic system image using dynamic system. You can check that video from the icon. This app is the excellent tool to test the GSI for any device which has dynamic system partition. So they can boot and test this build, and if you feel such builds are stable to use on their devices, later we can flash it permanently via fastboot mode commands. One video for flashing such GSI build via fastboot mode is given in iCard. As the screen brightness in this GSI is buggy, so I kept the black wallpaper in the whole video, so quality may be somewhat down. So keep the screen brightness at the medium level to watch the video, sorry for that. So let's check it out. This first booted GSI has what's new features, perks, and can it be used as a daily driver. So watch the video till the end. Now without further ado, let's get started.
On a new adventure.
To test this GSI build, you need to download the full exe file from the link given under the video description. You need to install the DSU sideloader application, but to make its proper working, we need the Magic's root. But there is debug application also available to use it on non-rooted phones. First in the app, tap on the select GSI and select the downloaded file. Then you need to set up the user data size. Its default size is 2 GB, but you can set it as per our wish. For the rest setting, keep them as it is and tap on the install GSI via DSU. It will take few minutes to decompress the GSI bit. Later we get the dynamic system update notification in the notification panel. Once installation gets completed, we get the two options, discard and restart. If you tap on the restart, we'll boot into the Android 13 Tiramisu Pixel 5 build. If you want to remove this GSI, just tap on the discard. So finally we booted to the Android 13 Google Pixel boot animation. As soon as I booted to the setup screen, device screen brightness was dim, which seems first bug of the ROM. But after booting to the system, I increased the screen brightness to the highest level for the better visibility. So let's jump to the about phone to check what are the new changes we can see here. So this is the Android 13 build, but still the Easter egg is not finalized by the Google, so we'll get the old Android 12 Easter egg here. It's showing the device name as the Pixel 5 as it's built for the Pixel devices. Security patch is of 5th May 2022. Build has the kernel version of 4.14.186+. This build is based on the Open Beta 2 build dated 22nd May 2022. Now we'll see what new changes we get in the Android 13, as the Android 13 is in initial stages and there is no much difference between the Android 12 and Android 13. First change is when we slide down the quick setting panel. Now the setting and the power button is available at the bottom of the panel. Second, if you play any music, now we get the new ongoing persistent notification in the panel, which has the bigger media art with the new forward, back and the pause buttons. This is similarly visible on the lock screen. If you get the lots of notification, then the notification on the lock screen will be bunched together and only icons are visible. We just need to tap once on the icons to expand all the notifications. So the lock screen looks clean this time in the Tiramisu version. All the pop-up notification has the bigger tiles to accept or discard the actions. If the bunch of applications are running in the memory, we get the active app notification at the bottom of the notification panel beside the new power and the setting buttons. We can see which apps are running and stop them by tapping on the stop button also, so no need to go to the recents panel every time to close the applications. Now if you type and copy any data on the phone, we get this new clipboard style card at the bottom of the keyboard with the edit icon. So before pasting this to anywhere, we can edit this copied text and can make the changes to the text. In the quick setting panel, we get the new barcode scanner tile. If you go to the home setting of our Pixel launcher, we can add the bunch of the new information in the at a glance widget, like weather, timer and the stopwatch, doorbell, etc. One new option they added now is the torch control. If we enable the torch in the quick setting panel, we get the at a glance info about that, and torch can be switched off by just tapping on the at a glance widget. If we get the notification of any application, we can long press on the notification card and drag it to the current running application, and it can be used as a split screen mode with the current running application. But this feature is broken in this GSI build. Android 13 Pixel launcher has the new Google search widget at the bottom of the home screen, and the same search widget is embedded in the app drawer. Let's see what's working in this build. LTE networks are working without HD calling. We can try to enable the OLT calling in the PHS table setting, but it's not work for me. Speaker in the calls is also not working here. Microphone is working perfectly in the calls. Wi-Fi is working and connecting to the 5Hz network. GPS location is also working. Audio in the music and the videos are working perfectly, and they are loud enough with the stereo sound effect. Let's check the camera. No inbuilt camera application is available here, so I installed the Gcam MGC build. Almost all the features are working in the camera, like the night sight, portrait modes for the front and the back camera. In the video, time lapse is working, but the slow motion is broken. Panorama mode and the photosphere modes are both working. 4K 60fps video recording is also working here. Google Lens is the broken in the camera, so almost most of the things are working with some bugs. Still, the camera is decent and taking the good quality pictures and the videos. So let's check what are the bugs. OnePlus Alert slider is not working in this build. Bluetooth connection is broken, so you can't connect the Bluetooth devices for now. Adaptive brightness is not working as the light sensor has issue in the ROM. Fingerprint sensor is not available, so you need to use only pins or the password as a security. NFC is also broken here. Punch hole display bug is there, so some notification icons in the status bar are not visible correctly. Wi-Fi hotspot is working but can't able to connect any device with its Wi-Fi network even if the password is correct. No always on display working and no setting is available in that. I use the device info app to check which sensors are working and which are not. Only fingerprint and the Bluetooth seems broken. Some other sensors like the accelerometer, proximity, magnetometer, compass and the gyroscopes are working, except the light and the barometer sensor. In the DRN info, we gets the L1 security, so we can stream the HD content over the Amazon Prime and Netflix. But as I am rooted, SafetyNet got failed here, but it should get passed without the root. This is all about the new Android 13 Tiramisu GSI built from the Pixel 5 working on the OnePlus Nord 2, and this will work for any phone with the dynamic system with the AB partitions. Bugs may be different for the different devices as I shown for the OnePlus Nord 2. This is the early GSI build, seems pretty good, but it has some major bugs. You can give at least one try using the DSU sideloder application. If you don't like, then just restart the device and you will be on your original stock ROM. It's that simple, so don't worry about the installation, flashing and all that things. Later, if you think it's stable enough to use for your device, you can flash it via fastboot mode. That's it guys for today. If you think I help you, please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.